Dow Jones and Nasdaq both have posted modest gains throughout this day. Specifically, US30 has seen a good rise and went till close to 33,450 plus levels. So now what to expect with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit trading Dow Jones and Nasdaq, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. You can also join my free Telegram channel where you can get the market updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start first. We look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. To watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels here. Now on the hourly chart, now firstly look at the hourly charts here. This time it has breached the 20-point period moving average. Also if you look at, see, it was trading bullish, and on the hourly chart these are the two channels in which it is trying to trade. There is a flat head here, multiple candles getting the resistance at around 13,440 levels, 13,430 levels, and these are the levels above which only little more bullishness can be expected. Right now it is trying to hit the bottom of the channel, which is right now situated at around 13,370, 13,380 level. Now see, any drop in US 100, if you see trading below 13,400, just stay short. We are going to look at 13,360 and below levels. This is the first support levels, and once it stays below 13,360, the next target is going to be at around, see, till 13,300. Every 20 points there is a support there for Nasdaq 100, and hence you should take your positions accordingly. So a sell entry at 13,400 is good, and a buy entry at 13,440 is a good safe entry. Rather, I will say 13,450. For this 50 points, do not take any position in Nasdaq 100. Stochastic comfortable. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is flat, and if you look at 2 hour, now see on the 2 hour charts here you will find, see, couple of tails there on the downside, and certainly the highs are getting limited. It is getting flattened here, and hence possibility of a little drop cannot be denied, which might take it till towards 13,350, 300 levels, which is certainly a very good support here. But right now any move above 13,450 you should certainly stay long. That is very clear. So 13,450, 400, do not take any trade. Below 13,400 till 13,340, 320 it has got very good support. In fact, till 13,300, 13,300 is a very good support. We have seen that yesterday. We are again looking at the same levels today. Stochastic looking down, the MACD has crossed over for a sell on the 2 hour charts, and it is diverging. There is a possibility of continuation of bearishness. RSI looking down, and if you look at 3 hour, now look at 3 hour chart. See, it has formed a tail. It has formed low. It is trying to form lower highs, lower lows. Any break below 13,400, again you can just stay short there. 13,380, 360, 340, 320, 320 points trailing stop loss. That is what you should maintain, because yesterday also we had seen Nasdaq 100 trading in a very range bound fashion, and again today 13,300 levels should be a very good support. So put a 20-point trailing stop loss there. Stochastic looking down, MACD is bullish, trying to cross over for a sell. RSI is flat, and if you look at 4 hour, now see on the 4 hour charts here, possibility of lower highs, lower lows exist, and that is why I say above 13,450, that is the only buy entry you should take. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, trying to cross over for sell. RSI trading near to the top, they're trading. Now look at the daily charts. Higher highs are done here. Candle size has diminished in the preceding two candles, and you can see the preceding two candles are extremely bullish candle. Now candle size have diminished. This means that the bullishness has diminished. Now in fact, till 13,450 and on the downside till 13,320, 300, we have to be cautious and alert. Do not consider it might try to trade. In fact, I will say 13,300, 500 zone, it might try to show you a swing in between this zone, and hence we should trade with caution there. Yes, a sell entry below 13,400 is good, but you should put a 20-point trailing stop loss. Now on the daily charts, Nasdaq 100 is trading overbought, and while the MACD is trading bullish here on the daily, you can see that this crossover has happened. This is trading with divergence, trading bullish, and see this. This is what we had discussed several times. This time it is trying to hit the median, and right now it's still lot much of bullishness is there. However, that is why I say it can show you good swings on the daily charts. there is still diminishing bullishness is what we had seen, and hence a good sell entry below 13,400, but you should put a 20-point trailing stop loss. On the upside, a buy entry above 13,450, but then expect 13,500 levels, 13,480, 500, the next strongest resistance level. These are certainly going to be a very, very good resistance level. Those who follow me for long, I mentioned last week also and last to last week also, staying above 13,200. We are looking forward to 13,500 levels in Nasdaq 100. Sooner or later, it is going to approach that, but I think today it is going to swing, and hence you should trade with caution. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Reach out to me for more details on same. Now, let's have a look at the hourly charts on US30. See the drop here, the retracement, the lower highs, lower lows, and that is why I say only bullishness is confirmed in US30 if it trades above 33,600 levels. That is very clear. Now on the downside, now see it was consolidating here. A breakout happened here at 33,350. Now 33,350 is the level I will look forward for it to breach, and then 33,300. If these two levels are taken, you can say that US30 is again going to drop strongly on the downside, and hence yes, above below 33,400 you can take a sell entry. However, 33,350, 300 are the two levels you should watch out for. If it stays below 33,300, we can expect further bearishness. Stochastic looking down, MACD is bullish, trying to converge here. RSI is almost comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. Now look at the 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour chart, similarly, you can see this consolidation, then a breakout, and now second retracement candles. Now this would be interesting to see if it breaches past 33,350, then only further bearishness, and then 33,300. If these two levels are taken, we are going to look forward to a good slide. Now see, two red candles retracement, two red candles retracement, then it may try to hit further on the downside. Now remember, any point of time, if you see it trading above 33,500, you can stay long, but then 33,600 levels it needs to breach in order to confirm a reversal. So between 33,400 and 500, we are not going to take any trade in Dow Jones today. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over for a buy on the 2-hour charts. RSI trying to look downwards, trying to trade slight bearish. Now look at 3-hour. Now see, on the 3-hour charts, previous two candles diminishing bullishness, and we can see this candle trying to retrace. Now it has to breach below 33,400 and 350 levels. If these two are taken, we can see it dropping sharply, and then 33,300 and below levels cannot be denied here. Stochastic is overbought, but see, the MACD is crossing over at a bottom. It started to trade with little divergence, and it is looking upwards. RSI comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. And if you look at on the 4-hour chart, see previous candle was a breakout. It might try to fall within the zone between 33,350, 360 zone, which is a very, very good support. It may try to achieve it once before it tries to even look upwards. Above 33,400, above 33,500, certainly we can expect a little rise, but then 33,600 level should be a very, very good resistance. Now, if you see this, stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trying to cross over for a buy. It has not yet crossed over. RSI trading at bottom on the 4-hour charts. Now look at the daily. Now see, on the daily charts, lower highs. And that is why I say 33,500 and 600. If these two levels are taken, US30 might hit 33,800 today. That is very, very important point to note. If it trades past 33,600, we can see extreme bullishness here. But right now, you can see this. It is reversing from the lower highs there, and potentially if it continues to drop from here, lower lows cannot be denied. Lower lows means 33,000 levels, and for it to fall so sharp, there should be a very good, very sharp move. And hence right now, if you see it trading below 33,400 and 300, these two levels, certainly below 33,300, we can expect a sharp bearish move there today. Stochastic looking down, MACD bearish, RSI flat. Considering this, in between 400 and 500, do not take any trade. Below 400, more bearishness may prevail. Above 500, we have to watch out for 33,600, and then beyond 33,600 we are going to look forward to a wonderful move out there. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.